In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Turbotax account efficiently and securely as we guide you through the process step by step. This tutorial is tailored to ensure you can regain access with ease, so let's get started on ensuring that you can navigate this process smoothly. To begin, you'll want to open up your preferred web browser and head to the official Turbotax website. Simply type in Turbotax in your search engine and make sure you click on the official site. This is important to ensure you're navigating the right channels and safeguarding your personal information from any phishing threats. Once the Turbotax homepage has loaded, proceed by locating the sign in area. This can usually be found at the top right corner of the page. You'll notice a prompt or link that says sign in or something similar. Go ahead and click that. You'll now be directed to the login page. If your device has accessed Turbotax before, it might show you a last accessed message. Don't worry if you see this, it's just an indicator of the last time you logged in using that device. If everything looks right and it's your device, proceed to enter your password in the provided field. Your password is crucial for keeping your account secure, so input it carefully to avoid any mistakes. Now, in the instance you've forgotten your password or face login issues, Turbotax offers an alternative way to verify your identity. You have the option to opt for a verification code sent either to your phone number or email associated with your account. This added layer of security ensures that only you can access your account, even if you forget your login credentials. Select the option to receive a code and choose whether you prefer to get it via text message or email. Once you've received your code, return to the website and enter it into the appropriate field. After you've successfully entered your password or verification code, look for a button that says continue and click on it. This will confirm that you've input everything correctly and allow you to access the full suite of Turbotax's services right where you left off. If you encounter any issues during this process, it's advisable to double check your internet connection, ensure your device's security settings permit access, and that you're entering your credentials correctly. By following these steps, you should be able to swiftly recover and access your Turbotax account. It's always a good practice to periodically update your password and confirm your recovery methods to secure your account against any potential threats. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tutorials. Stay safe and see you in our next video.